Hello everyone, my name is Megan and this is my first video on doing my hair. Really haven't made too many videos of these, so I said why not. I'm going to be doing the apple cider vinegar rinse for my locks. First time since I've gotten it done. I got my hair done or interlocked back in September of 2018. I had a stylist from Miami, Florida. I got my first silk blowout and she said, or silk press, sorry. I did my first silk press and she said she knew what she was doing and she ended up damaging my hair and it was damaged. So I was just like, you know what? I've been wanting locks since forever. My mom wanted me to have locks since I was in second grade. So I got them. 26 years later. 27 years later. I'm 27. Forgot. Okay. So yeah, we're doing an apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm excited. I do my hair once a month. And it is time. Let's get started. So I am using baking soda, of course, apple cider vinegar, and I don't have a lemon, so why not use lemon juice? Same thing, right? Oh man. Oh. Okay, so I have my water ready and so y'all remember back in the day when mama used to make y'all lay up on the counter to wash your hair? We gonna do that, but we gonna do that in this little bit of space. We just gonna make it work, okay? Just hopefully I don't fall in. Hopefully I don't make too much of a mess. Ugh. Oh, I'm excited. Oh my God. Yeah, so I kicked the switch, which is the garbage disposal switch. Yeah, that would have been really messy. Oh, by the way, this vinegar smells so freaking good. I'll probably be doing some cucumbers and vinegar after this because this smells amazing. Yeah, I love the smell of vinegar. All right, I'll be back. 15 minutes. Okay, so I am proud to say that my hair actually was not as dirty as I thought it would be compared to like all these other YouTube videos that I see. It's really not that bad, so I'm pretty happy about this. I am gonna do it one more time, maybe a 5-minute soak. How about we go and check out how my... Okay, so let's see how we're looking. Well, my water may have not been dark brown like how other folks' water is, but my hair is gray at the moment. Gray-ish, and I am ready to wash because my scalp is itching. But here, let me close this. It did bring it up though, you can see that. So here, we're gonna do one more. I'm gonna try to, I guess, kind of separate some of these. And again, I did get my hair interlocked at the beginning. So I didn't do the coil, I didn't do a 2-strand twist, I didn't do a braid, I didn't do any of that. Just interlocked. And for those who don't know what interlocking is, it's when you literally take your own strands of hair and interlock it within one another. So like, as in the lady who did my hair, she took a crochet thingy and interlocked my hair to each other. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go do another one. A 5-minute soak this time. That 15-minute kind of hurt my back. I ain't young like I used to, so I can't just lay straight on my back on a hard piece. I need a cushion. I need cushion. And I got cushion, but I need cushion. Okay, I'll be back. This feels amazing on my scalp. I don't know if because the water is hotter Oh my gosh, but it feels so great. It's now time to dry. I didn't do anything special. Just braided it back.